Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a tornado warning for southern Ontario at 4:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, October 23rd, 2020. A tornado warning is continued for Midland, Coldwater, Orr Lake, Barrie, Collingwood, Hillsdale, and Owen Sound, Blue Mountains, northern Grey County. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Orillia, Lagoon City, Washego, Innisfil, New Tecumseth, Angus, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, southern Dufferin County. A severe thunderstorm warning is changed to a tornado warning for Hanover, Dundalk, southern Grey County, and Shelburne, Mansfield, northern Dufferin County. A tornado watch is continued for Fenelon Falls, Balsam Lake Park, northern Kawartha Lakes. A tornado watch is continued for Grey Bruce. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Newmarket, Georgina, northern York Region, Midland, Coldwater, Orr Lake, and Dufferin, Innisfil. A severe thunderstorm watch is changed to a tornado watch for Orillia, Lagoon City, Washego, and Barrie, Collingwood, Hillsdale. Environment Canada has issued a squall warning for Lake Simcoe at 3:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, October 23rd, 2020. Environment Canada continues squall warning for southern Georgian Bay at 2:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, October 23rd, 2020. Environment Canada continues squall watch for Lake Simcoe and southern Georgian Bay at 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, October 23rd, 2020. Environment Canada continues tornado warning for southern Georgian Bay at 3:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, October 23rd, 2020.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour